Hi, my name's Javier Bonilla, and I can tell you I'm an extremely satisfied customer of Corman and Sons. They've done such a wonderful job of from the very beginning all the way through the follow-up process. But I wanted to give you a couple of pointers, specifically when we were presented with the options. For starters, the reason we even got into this whole conversation was we do our yearly maintenance right around April to May timeframe, and then we do another one in October, November timeframe. So it was time for us to do our actual biannual inspection, and we had a gentleman come over and he did all the inspection, went through all the system, and he gave us some of the feedback of what he had seen. And quite frankly, up until that point, we had those two Lennox units for 12 years. We had actually had several people throughout the years come by. They'd do their thing, they'd go ahead and inspect the units, clean them out, and that was it. They'd either get a check or send us a bill, and there was really no feedback. We didn't know what was going on with our units. So the gentleman that was here, Al, actually gave us his opinion of what he was seeing and just kind of laid it out and gave us some expectations of what could come in the future. And that was really one of those turning points. We knew that we had a system that was not optimal. It was already 12 years old, and we were going to have some trouble. And rather than wait for them to break down in the middle of the summer, which obviously is one of the worst nightmares for any family to go through, we went ahead and said, okay, let's go ahead and see what we have as options. So then we got a call from Phil, and we actually had him here at home and went through all the different scenarios. He gave us three options, the good, better, and best kind of option. But what was really important to us was the fact that he heard our feedback. He went around the house, did his inspection, but listened to what we had to say, what our concerns were, where are the hot spots, what are the things that kind of made us anxious about our existing system. So that was very key, because then what he did is was able to tailor and customize three solutions based upon that feedback. So we were actually ultimately able to select the middle version of that, because we felt that was where we were going to get the biggest bang for our buck. So and all throughout the whole process, we had a lot of support, and really weren't being told you need to go and buy the most expensive device. We were giving a lot of good comparisons so that we can actually make our own decision in that regard. So based on those facts and the numbers, we were able to sleep on it, so to speak, for a day. And then we already knew we were wanting to do this, so it just gave us that much more reassurance in that. So thank you, Corman and Sons. We really appreciate all the work and all the support that we've gotten throughout this whole process.